This video explains how you can withdraw your funds from your Seller account down to your Nigeria bank account. This money was actually made by a copy and paste work which a 10-year-old child can do. If you're interested to make such amount of money with the same copy and paste strategy, kindly comment the word interested and drop a like on this video right now. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to withdraw on Seller, as I have gotten so many messages regarding this. So the first thing you want to do is to sign into your Seller account. So once you sign into your Seller account, you just have to click on these three dots over here and you will see your wallet. Just click on it and it's going to display your available balance. Okay, like I said earlier, this 110,000 you're seeing over here was made by a copy and paste work. So right now we are going to click on withdraw funds. So after clicking on withdraw funds, you are going to be taken over to this page, and by now you must have linked your bank details to your Seller account. Right over here you can see my available to withdraw. So right now I'm going to click on withdraw, as stamp duty will be taken from this fee. As you can see, withdrawal fee over here. So I'm going to click on withdraw. So in less than no time, I'll be getting this money straight to my bank account. Right over you can see withdrawal initiated from Seller. And so guys, immediately I got the credit alert from Seller. You can see that Seller is actually fast in payment. Once you place your withdrawal, instantly you're going to be getting it straight to your Nigeria bank account. So that is how you can actually place a withdrawal on your Seller account. It's very simple, and in less than no time you'll be getting your funds straight to your bank account. Most times I advise you withdraw your funds on Mondays. Once you place a withdrawal on Mondays, in less than no time you'll be getting it straight into your bank account. I hope this video was helpful, and if it is, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever valuable content is being posted on this channel.